Now, what certifications are available to become a data analyst? And the market is growing. One of the key takeaways I had from the CompTIA Partner Summit was that DataPlus, it is the stepping stone into the DataSysPlus certification, which is aimed more towards database administrators, the folks who are managing those servers and those systems, whereas the data analyst is more focused on manipulating data, profiling it, and creating attractive information that would benefit business leaders typically in most situations. Now, one of the other things that was quite interesting to me, specifically about the CompTIA Partner Summit, was that the new X certifications for a variety of things. So there's going to be a Data Xpert certification, there's going to be a Security Xpert certification, and there's also going to be, I think, a Cloud Xpert certification, all coming from CompTIA. But there are a variety of ways to get your foot in the door, proverbially, of course, but there are a couple skills that you might want to pay attention to as well, alongside certifications. For example, you should definitely know how to use a spreadsheet like Excel. Learning SQL, structured query language, would be extremely beneficial as you learn how to query data. And Python doesn't hurt either, because we don't want to just take the data and manipulate it. That doesn't really matter for us, right? We want to make sure that we create a coherent and compelling story to business leaders. And that's why it's so important, because you might be getting information from all these different databases, and I don't know the difference between this and that, but if you're able to actually gain insight from it and then present it in an articulate manner to your organizational leaders, then you can actually make decisions and then enhance your business processes and build a stronger business.